COVID-19 pandemic caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus has created an unprecedented global health crisis. One of the most significant scientific response to this pandemic has been the development of COVID-19 vaccine. This vaccine fall into the category of the latest drug release, as their development and distribution took place at an unprecedented pace, involving innovative technologies and extensive global collaboration. As a pharmacy student, understanding the details of the COVID-19 vaccine, including the technology used, mechanism of action, efficacy, safety, and clinical implementation is very important. COVID-19 vaccines are developed using various innovative technology platforms, including mRNA, viral vector, protein subunit, and attenuated or inactivated viruses. Here are some that key vaccinate and technology used. This is mRNA vaccines, viral vector vaccines, protein subunit vaccine, and the inactive virus vaccine. Mechanism of action. All COVID-19 vaccines aim to teach the immune system to recognize and flag SARS-CoV-2 by triggering the production of antibodies and T cells specific to the virus. Here are the general steps of the vaccine mechanism of action. Vaccine administration. The vaccine is injected into the body via intramuscular injection. Antigen expression is depending of the vaccine type. The SARS-CoV-2 antigen is produced by the body cells or directly injected by protein subunit vaccines and inactive virus. Antigen presentation. Dendritic cells process antigens and present them to T cells in lymph nodes. Immune system activation. T cells and B cells are activated, producing effector T cells and plasma. Plasma B cells that produce specific antibodies against the spike protein. And then adaptive immunity. Memory T cells and memory B cells are established, providing long-term protection against SARS-CoV-2 infection. Efficacy and safety. Efficacy. mRNA vaccines such as Pfizer and Moderna show very high efficacy in clinical trials, with a protection rate of about 95 against symptomatic COVID-19 infection. Viral vector vaccines such as AstraZeneca and Janssen also showed good, albeit slightly lower efficacy, but were highly effective in preventing severe disease and death. Safety. All COVID-19 vaccines that have been approved through extensive clinical trials show a good safety profile. The most common side effects are local reaction at the injection site, is pain and redness, and mild systemic reaction is fever, fatigue. However, there are some rare but serious adverse events that have been identified, such as myocarditis in mRNA vaccines and thrombosis with thrombocytopenia in viral vector vaccine. Clinical implication. COVID-19 vaccine have broad clinical implication in controlling the pandemic. Prevention of virus spread. By increasing population immunity, vaccination help reduce the spread of the virus within the community. Reduction of health burden. Vaccines reduce the number of severe COVID-19 cases and deaths, reducing the burden on the health system. Variable efficacy against new variants. Vaccine efficacy against different variants of SARS-CoV-2 has been the focus in 10 research. Although there is a decrease in efficacy against certain variants, such as Delta and Omicron, the vaccine still provides significant protection against severe disease. Booster shots. Due to decline in immunity over time, booster doses are recommended to strengthen and prolong immune protection. So yeah, the conclusion is the COVID-19 vaccine is one of the greatest scientific achievement in the face of a global pandemic. Innovative technologies such as mRNA and viral vectors have opened new avenue for rapid and effective vaccine development. As a pharmacy student, an in-depth understanding of the latest development in COVID-19 vaccination is essential, not only for clinical applications but also for future contribution in drug research and development. By keeping abreast of COVID-19 vaccine development, pharmacy students can play an active role in global effort to control the pandemic and protect public health.